Hello friends, welcome to Raj in Tech. This is your friend Raj, and today in this video, based on the rumors and leaks, I'll be telling you the major upgrades and the differences between the Mi A1 and the upcoming Mi A2. So without further wasting our time, let's jump in. And in the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button just below the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. So let's get started. Now we all know that ever since Xiaomi has started its business in India, it has surprised us with its smartphones and its aggressive pricing. Last year the company launched its first ever Android One smartphone, the Mi A1, and that was a major hit. Now following the success, this year the company has decided to launch its second Android One phone, and that's the Mi A2. So let's see what are the major upgrades and the differences it has from its last year launched Mi A1. So the very first difference that you will see is the design and the display. So now instead of a 5.5-inch display which the Mi A1 had, the Mi A2 has a slightly taller 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display in the ratio of 18:9. So now you can enjoy more screen in the same size. Number 2, you see the camera in Mi A1 was placed horizontally, which looked quite similar to the iPhone 7 Plus, but this time Xiaomi has placed the camera horizontally on the new Mi A2, and that resembles the iPhone X. The Mi A2 is slightly thinner than the Mi A1, but do expect a little extra camera bump this time. Well, talking about the camera, we all know that Mi A1 came up with a dual camera setup of 12 megapixel each with aperture 2.2 and 2.6 each, and that was capable of taking some real good pictures. But this time you see a major upgrade. Now this time Xiaomi has decided to put a 12 megapixel with aperture 1.8 primary camera and a secondary 20 megapixel with aperture 1.8 on its new model. Both the models, the Mi A1 and the Mi A2, had the dual LED flash. Now the dual LED flash is same as the Mi A1. Now coming to the front, the Xiaomi has followed the latest selfie trend, and it has improved its camera from the 5 megapixel which we saw in the Mi A1 to 20 megapixel this time on the Mi A2, and this time we do see an LED flash in the front as well. Xiaomi this time has again surprised us, but this time maybe negatively, because the new Mi A2 do not feature the 3.5mm headphone jack. You heard it right, it does not. But don't you worry, because the company is kind enough to provide you with a USB Type-C to 3.5mm converter plug, so you can still use your older headphone. Well, the surprise is not over yet. Last year, as we saw in the Mi A1, we saw a hybrid SIM slot. So that has an option to insert either a nano SIM or a micro SD card slot. But this time, with the Mi A2, the company is only providing you with a dual SIM slot. I don't know why Xiaomi has taken this step, but so this might be a deal breaker for some of you, but Xiaomi thinks that 64 gig is good enough. In terms of memory, the Mi A2 will not differ much from its last year variant Mi A1, because though the company do have a 6GB 128GB version, but it has decided to launch its 4GB 64GB variant in India for now. In terms of hardware, the Mi A2 is a slight improvement over the Mi A1, while the Mi A1 came up with the Snapdragon 625 last year, but this time the Mi A2 comes with the latest Snapdragon 660 processor, which is said to be more versatile, and that's coupled with Adreno 512 GPU. The company has also decreased the battery capacity in the latest version, though not major, but yes, again it's a minor downgrade. While the last year model A1 came up with a 3080 mAh battery, the new A2 has only a 3000 mAh battery. Well, the good thing is that the new A2 supports quick charger, but again the bad news is that you don't get a quick charger with the box. Now coming to the price, well, we don't know the price of the Mi A2 yet. The Mi A1 last year was priced as 13,999, and that was a huge success. Well, we need to wait till the 8th of August to know the official price, but we are expecting it to be somewhere between 15,000 to 17,000, considering the other competitors in the market. So that's it for now. Do let me know in the comment section how you like the video, and yes, again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure you subscribe it. Thanks for watching, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and stay informed.